सभी को नमस्कार, राम राम जी। यंग बंगाल एवं ब्रह्मो समाज के विभिन्न संदर्भों में सामाजिक। सबसे पहले मैं ये बता दूं, ये क्वेश्चन यूपीएससी मेंस में पूछा गया है 2021 में। जीएस पेपर 1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है। सो लेट्स गो। यंग बंगाल एवं ब्रह्मो समाज के विशेष संदर्भों में सामाजिक धार्मिक सुधार आंदोलनों के आधार उत्थान तथा विकास को रेखांकित कीजिए। ट्रेस द राइज and growth of socio-religious reform movements with special reference to Young Bengal and Brahmo Samaj. Answer. Approach दृष्टिकोण. Start the answer by briefly means संक्षिप्त. Briefly mentioning मतलब उल्लेख. Mentioning the rise means उठना. Rise and growth of socio-religious reform means सुधार. Reform movements means आंदोलन. Mention the contribution of Young Bengal and Brahmo Samaj. Conclude suitably, उचित निष्कर्ष निकाले. Introduction. The Indian society in the first half of the 19th century was caste जाति से ग्रस्त, कास्ट रिडन, डिकेडेंट मीन्स अवनति का, पतनशील, एंड रिग्ड मीन्स कठोर. वेरियस रिफॉर्मर्स लाइक राजा राम मोहन रॉय, ईश्वर चंद्र विद्यासागर, स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती persuaded people to give up degraded age-old traditions like sati child marriage, polygamy means बहु विवाह, polygamy, female infanticide means कन्या भ्रूण हत्या, female infanticide इत्यादि. by adopting means दत्तक ग्रहण, adopting a new way of life. They were knee means उत्सुक, to spread knowledge of modernization means आधुनिकरण, modernization in the country and bring means लाना, about के बारे में, bring about greater freedom and equality for women and lower caste people. Body. Contribution of Young Bengal and Brahmo Samaj. Brahmo Samaj and Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy is known as the father of modern India's Renaissance means पुनर्जागरण, and a tireless means अथक, ना थकने वाला, tireless social reformer who inaugurated means का उत्थान, the age of enlightenment, and liberal means उदार, liberal, reformist means सुधारक, reformist modernization in India. He found ब्रह्मो समाज in 1828. Whose means किसका या जिसका. Whose main aim was the worship means पूजा, worship of the eternal God. However, it was against priesthood means पुजारीपन, priesthood, rituals means रिवाज, and sacrifices. The greatest achievement in the field of social reformer means सामाजिक सुधार was the abolition means उन्मूलन, समाप्ति, abolition of sati in 1829. He advocated the abolition of polygamy means बहु विवाह, and wanted women to be educated and given the right to inherit property. Inherit property means विरासत में मिली संपत्ति, inherit property. दिस लीड मीन्स नेतृत्व किया. दिस लीड टू द इमरजेंस ऑफ रेशनलाइज्म तर्कवाद एंड इनलाइटनमेंट प्रबोधन शिक्षा in India, which indirectly contributed to the nationalist movement. It was the foreigner means पूर्वज अग्रदूत of all social, religious and political movements of modern India. Young Bengal and Henry Louis Vivan Desrosiers. He joined the Hindu College of Kolkata as a teacher. Desrosiers promoted radical ideas. Radical ideas means कट्टरपंथी विचार. Through his teaching and by organizing. Organizing means आयोजन संगठित करना. And association means संगठन या संस्था. For debate and discussion means बहस और चर्चा. On literature, philosophy, history and science. He inspired his followers and students to question all authority. Desrosiers promoted radical ideas through his teaching and by organizing an association for debate and discussions on literature, philosophy, history and science. He inspired followers students to question all authorities. Desrosiers and his famous followers, known as the Dargians and Young Bengal, were fiery patriots, उग्र देशभक्त. They cherished means पोषित, दुलारा हुआ. They cherished the ideals of the French Revolution 1789 AD and the liberal means उदार, दानशील thinking of Britain. Desrosiers died of cholera at the young age of 22. Conclusion. Apart from attacking social evils means सामाजिक कुरीतियों पर प्रहार like bigotry कट्टरता, superstition अंधविश्वास वहम, untouchability पर्दा means पर्दे curtains, system सती, child marriage, social inequalities and illiteracy means निरक्षरता, विद्याहीनता, the social and religious reform movements also helped in dealing with the racism जातिवाद perpetuated कायम रखा यादगार बनाना by the colonial rule. This eventually means अंततः अंत में lead to the development of nationalism against the British government.